Today we are going to discuss relations, children. So what is a relation? A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. Yesterday you learned what is a Cartesian product. So relation is a subset of Cartesian product, and you know what is a subset. Subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs in A and B. See here, the set of all first elements in relation R is called the domain of the relation R, and the set of all the second elements called images is called the range of R. And for example, the relation equal to the ordered pairs 1, 2, minus 2, 3 and 12, 3 is a relation, then the domain is all the ordered pairs of the first elements, that is 1, minus 2 and 12, and the range is the second elements of the ordered pairs, that is 2, 3 and again 3. There is no need to write. If any element is repeating 2 times, you can write 1 time only. So the range is the second element, the domain is the first elements. Now a relation may be represented either by the roster form or by the set builder form or by an arrow diagram, which is a visual representation of a relation. If n equal to number of elements in the set A is P and the number of elements in set B is Q, then the number of elements in A cross B, you know, P into Q, and the total number of possible relation from set A into set B is 2PQ. Exercise 2.2, now I am going to discuss that A is the set of the elements containing from 1 to 14 and define a relation R from set A to A and the ordered pair xy such that 3x minus y equal to 0 where xy belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Okay, here the relation is 3x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so that means what? 3x equal to y. So 3x equal to y. If I am taking x1, okay, then what is my y? 3 into 1, 3. If I am taking x2, what is my y? 3 into 2, 6. If I am taking x equal to 3, y is 3 3s are 9. If I am taking x equal to 4, my y is 4 3s are 12. Can I take any other number, children? Can I take 5? If I will take 5, 3 5s are 15. But 15 is not there in the given set A. A is containing up to 14. And here it is given very clearly, both xy belongs to the set A. That you need to remember. Here set A is the elements containing from 1 to 14 only. So if I will take x equal to 5, then I am going to get my y equal to 15. 15 is not there in the set. That is why I can't take. So my relation is here. The ordered pairs containing 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. Now domain. Domain is what? The set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in the relation. Hence my domain is here 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is my range? The whole set A is codomain of the relation R. Here, what is my codomain? Codomain means entire set. Here the entire set Y belongs to A only. So my codomain is from 1 to 14. What is codomain and what is range, you know na? Codomain means entire set B. So here my codomain is from 1 to 14, but my range is 3, 6, 9, 12. My range is 3, 6, 9, 12. The range of R is set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in the relation. Hence range is 3, 6, 9, 12. Now see the second question. Define a relation R in the set of natural number xy such that y equal to x plus 5, x is a natural number less than 4, xy both belongs to natural numbers. Depict the relationship using roster form and write down the domain and range. Here the relation is given by y equal to x plus 5 and as x is a natural number less than 4. That means what are the x values I can take? 1, 2, 3 only. So if my x is 1, what is my y? X plus 5, 1 plus 5, 6. If my x is 2, my y 2 plus 5 7. If my x is 3, my y 3 plus 5 8. That up to here only I can take. I can't take any other value of x because it is given clearly my x is less than 4. So my relation is 1 6, 2 7 and 3 8. The domain of R is the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in the relation. Hence my domain is 1, 2 and 3. And what is my range? Range is the set of all the second elements. So here my range is 6, 7 and 8. Now see the next question. Here A is given 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is given 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B and R equal to such that xy ordered pair, the difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in roster form. A is given 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is given 4, 6, 9. The relation is described as the difference between x and y is odd, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So what numbers I can take? I can take 1, 4 because 4 minus 1 is 3. I can take 1, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. I can take 2, 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3, 4. The difference is 1. 3, 6. The difference is 3. 5, 4. The difference is 1. 5, 6. The difference is 1. I need to take ordered pair. X I need to take from A. Y I need to take from B. And I need to check that in these ordered pairs, the difference between the two, that means the x coordinate and y coordinate, should be an odd number. I need to arrange such a numbers only. I can't take 2, 4. Okay. I can't take 2, 6. I can't take 5, 9. Why? Because the difference is not coming an odd number. So keeping in that mind, I need to check whatever numbers ordered pairs will come. So I got this. Now this is the diagram. If I will take 5, then 3. Okay. See here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 9. What they asked you, write in R in roster form and the difference between. Okay. See here. So sorry, this is another question. Okay. So this is answer is over. Now the next question. First figure came. The figure shows the relationship between P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form and in roster form. And what is domain and range? Okay, this is the given question. By seeing the diagram, the given figure, you can see that P is the elements containing 5, 6, 7 and Q the elements containing 3, 4, 5. And the relationship between P and Q, what you observed from the figure is R is a relation xy such that y equal to x minus 2. Y equal to x minus 2. So if I will take 3, means 5 minus 3, I am getting 2. 6 minus 4, 2. And 7 minus 5 also 2. Okay. Now roster form. Roster form means you need to write all the ordered pairs. So 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. Is it clear? Set builder form means I need to write whatever formula I am using. There are two ways to represent set builder form. One, I am representing R equal to a relation such that xy ordered pairs y equal to x minus 2 and x belongs to P. And the other way to representing in set builder form is xy ordered pair y equal to x minus 2 for x equal to 5, 6, 7. X minus 2, x is 5, 6, 7. That only. Either you can write x belongs to P or the other way I am writing x equal to 5, 6, 7. In roster form means whatever ordered pairs I am writing elaborately. So R equal to 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. Now the next question is, A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and R be the relation on A defined by AB ordered pair such that AB both belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. Means B also you are set A only. So write R in roster form find the domain and find the range. Here A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 given, and R is a relation AB belongs to A is exactly divisible by A. So exactly divisible by A. Both the sets we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 only. Exactly divisible. So 1 divided by 1 exactly, and B is exactly divisible by A. That means the second pair is divisible by the first one. That you need to check. So 2 is divisible by 1, 3 also divisible by 1, 4 also divisible by 1, 6 also divisible by 1. And if you will take the second, 2 is divisible by 2 and 4 is divisible by 2, 6 also divisible by 2, means the second element should divisible by the first element. That you need to check. In the ordered pair, the second element should divisible by first. That means first element should divide the second. Okay, so you are getting these many ordered pairs. So now what is domain? This is roster form. The first bit only I wrote all the ordered pairs, means that is the roster form. Domain means all the first elements and range means all the second elements in that ordered pairs. I hope all of you are clear what is domain and what is range. And you need to see the condition. Whatever condition for the relation is given, whether it is satisfying or not, that is only the important. Now here the sixth question, determine the domain and range of the relation defined by R is a relation x comma x plus 5 and where x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is given. Now R is a relation x comma x plus 5 and x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I will take x 0, so x plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5. When I am taking x1, x plus 5 means 1 plus 5, 6. When x is 2, 2 plus 5, 7. X is 3, 3 plus 5, 8. X is 4, 4 plus 5, 9. X is 5, 5 plus 5, 10. That much only relation ordered pairs you are going to get. And now what is my domain? All the first elements. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is my range? All the second elements in the ordered pairs. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now in question 7, write the relation R x comma x cube where x is a prime number less than 10. That means you need to take prime numbers less than 10. What are the prime numbers? Which are having only 2 factors. That means 2, 3, 5, 7 like that numbers. 1 is not a prime number. Remember that. We know that, but then also we are making so many times that mistake. 1 is not a prime number, 1 is a special number. Okay. So here prime numbers less than 10. What are the prime numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. Is 9 is a prime number? No. 9 is a composite number. So if I am taking the prime number, so 2, 3, 5, 7. If my x is 2, what is my x cube? 2 cube is 8. If I am taking my x is 3, my x cube 27. 5 means 5 cube 125. 7 means 7 cube 343. These many ordered pairs I am getting in my relation. And what is my domain? They are not asked here domain. If at all they will ask domain. So what is domain? 2, 3, 5, 7. And what is range? Second elements. 8, 27, 125, 343. Eighth question is, A is given xyz and B is given 1, 2. Find the number of relation from A to B. Number of relations A to B. A into B, first find out the Cartesian product. First element of with A, first element of B. That is x1, then first element to second element x2, then y1, y2, z1, z2. This is the Cartesian product. Now, in Cartesian product, what you are getting? The total elements 6. So the number of subsets of A cross B will be 2 to the power 6. In the relation, how many subsets are possible? 2 to the power 6. The relation is 2 to the power 6. That only I want to tell you. In the previous points, you just remember this point. Okay. See here one point here, that point is I just want to recall. Here it is not 2pq. Set A to set B, the number of relations is 2 to the power pq. Just correct it, children. Here I want to tell you that only it is 2 to the power pq. Is it clear? So the total relations, total Cartesian products, the total order pairs you are getting 6. The number of relations is 2 to the power 6. In the question 9, let R be the relation on Z defined by R equal to AB. Both AB belongs to Z. Z means set of integers. And A minus B also an integer. Find the domain and range of R. So R is given as a relation ordered by AB. AB both belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. So we know that the difference between any two integers is always an integer. Therefore, the domain of R equal to also Z and the range of R also Z. That much only for today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss functions. Okay. I hope all these 9 questions clear for you. We are going slowly because these concepts are very much important and first time you are learning. These topics are not there in 10th standard. Okay children, do properly, keep practicing. Again tomorrow we are going to discuss about functions. Thank you. Video pattern.